How does the Supreme Court interpret constitutional law? Imagine a system where the fundamental rules of a nation are not always clear-cut and sometimes requiring careful interpretation. That is where the Supreme Court plays a vital role in shaping the understanding of the Constitution. When questions about the meaning and application of constitutional provisions arise, the Supreme Court is tasked with providing authoritative answers. But how does it do this? The process involves a combination of legal principles, historical context, and judicial philosophy. The Supreme Court interprets constitutional law primarily through the process of judicial review. This authority was established in the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison in 1833. Judicial review allows the court to assess whether laws or executive actions are consistent with the Constitution. If a law or action is found to conflict with the Constitution, the court can declare it invalid. This process ensures that the Constitution remains the supreme law of the land. When deciding cases, the court examines the text of the Constitution, considering the plain meaning of its words. Justices also look at the historical context in which the document was written, including the intentions of the framers and the societal conditions of that time. This helps to interpret ambiguous language and understand the original purpose behind constitutional provisions. The court also considers precedents, which are previous judicial decisions that have addressed similar issues. These rulings create a body of case law that guides future interpretations. Over time, the court may revisit and modify its interpretations, especially when societal values or circumstances change. In addition to textual and historical analysis, the court employs various interpretive methods. For example, some justices favor a strict constructionist approach, emphasizing the original meaning of the Constitution's words. Others adopt a more flexible or living constitutional approach, believing the Constitution should adapt to contemporary society. These differing philosophies influence how the court interprets constitutional questions. Ultimately, the Supreme Court's role is to ensure that constitutional principles are upheld while balancing the evolving needs of society. Its interpretations shape the legal landscape and protect individual rights, maintain the separation of powers, and uphold the rule of law. Through careful analysis, precedent, and judicial philosophy, the court determines how the Constitution applies to new and complex issues that arise in American life.